You are so cute.
Aw, thank you.
Not you, Amanda. Get out of the way. You little puppy. You little puppy. Good morning, gangsters. All right, so today I'm going to get the...
is freaking huge.
It's not the only thing big on me. My ego's enormous. Guys, today I'm going to be shooting with Amanda and Katya. We got a little funny skit that we're about to shoot. I'm excited. Let's get this day started, huh? Oh, he thought I was gonna go. Woo! Oh my God, you gave me goosebumps from that performance. So fun fact about me and Amanda. Amanda and I have been friends for almost 3 years now. Almost 3 years.
Yay.
And you were so intimidating when I first met you. Why?
Why was
Oh my
that?
God, Jinx, you only a first date. It's because when I watched her online, I didn't have Vine, I had like Facebook and her videos would pop up. She always played that character and like was mean. So when I first met her, I was like, oh, she's gonna be mean. But she was the sweetest person I've ever met in my life. Till this day.
George.
Aw.
I can second that.
I threatened his life if he didn't say that I was gonna kill you.
What a beautiful day outside, huh? Fun fact, Katya made me very nauseous in the car with her brakes. Look, she's so mad. Katya, I still love you. If it makes you feel better, it wasn't your driving. I think it's just you're not used to these brakes.
Not my car.
It's not my car.
I'm wearing heels.
You wear heels. You could probably get a lot of men with that accent.
No.
Really?
It's like, nah.
I love girls with accent. They come back like a boomerang and I'll hop to it like a kangaroo. No? All right, tough audience. Back to you, Bob. My main man out here, what's your name?
Roberto.
Roberto?
Yeah.
Nice. Do you ever drink lemonade or have lemonade over there?
No.
Oh, you eat over here? All right, we're about to shoot this video. I'm gonna see you later. Later, buddy. My main man, Roberto. Okay, so we just wrapped. I wasn't allowed to vlog because we had to be professional and I had to drive and pay attention. Have you ever watched Friends when he's like, whoop-ah? And they're like, what is that? It's a whip. Whoop-ah! All right, so we're on to the next. I'm gonna be shooting my video. It's called Being Savage on Valentine's
And
Day.
I'm gonna vlog the whole time.
You should, you should. That's what a friend would let you do.
No, we gotta get it done for the like.
Now everybody's gonna be curious. What did they do? They don't know. Whose fault is that? Amanda's.
Well, that's because they'll just have to go watch my Instagram video to see what we did.
It's at Amanda Thurney, like you guys don't know. I'm on my way to Trader Joe's right now. I have to get some flowers for the shoot. Today I didn't wake up thinking I was gonna do that much. What's up? You guys are just chilling, huh? What's up? How are you? What's your name?
Jasmine.
What's up? What's your name? Maria, pleasure to meet you. You guys just sitting out here?
Yeah.
Chilling? I'm gonna take some pictures and I'm gonna be right back. So I just bumped into two other people. They're both from Argentina.
Yes.
And your name is?
Renata.
Renata and?
Franco.
Franco? And Mama, what's your name?
Desde Argentina.
I'm gonna call you Mama. That's easier to pronounce. Pere verte.
To see you.
Pare verte. I'm learning. You guys wanna take a picture?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'll be right back again. By the way, guys, just a fun fact. If you guys ever bump into me in real life, come say hi. Don't be shy. I'm more excited to see you guys than you'll probably even imagine. Even when I'm in a rush and stuff like that, I really appreciate you guys. I want to get to know you. So come say hi. I gotta turn this off. They're gonna yell at me. Bah! Yeah, that's right. I scared you.
Are you copying us? Copycat.
So I got my flowers. I'm on my way to shoot right now. So I'm shooting a video that has to be about being savage on Valentine's Day. By the way, a little fun fact. I kept calling it Valentine's Day, but I guess that's wrong. It's Valentine's Day. So my whole life I've been living a lie. You are so cute.
Aw, thank
Not you, Amanda. Get out of the way. You little puppy. You little puppy. You little fluffed animal.
you. You just kissed me.
Amanda has not caught one thing in her mouth. Watch. Amanda, ready? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? The only time you get caught is when you're... Oh, why did you not dap me up?
Because you're wrong. I've been catching everything.
Yeah, the only thing she'll catch is feelings for me.
That I missed.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Me, and I bring you some flowers.
Oh, happy Valentine's Day.
Action.
Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Hey.
Happy Valentine's Day. By the way, guys, I just want to throw this out there. It's not overrated and it's not overused. Girls love flowers. Mind you, not this one because they're dead.
Yeah, don't ever give girls flowers that look like that.
Yeah, no, this is a bad flower. This is for the skit though. But because I keep hearing a lot of guys saying that they don't buy girls flowers because girls don't like it. Girls say that all the time.
I don't like flowers.
What?
I don't. What's the point? You have flowers, you put them in, especially the ones that aren't like a plant. They die.
Yeah.
And they smell weird.
Wait, so girls really don't like flowers?
I love candles.
Candles. All right, well, forget these girls. These girls are high maintenance. Regular girls like flowers. It's the secret. You guys know Amanda's secret now. She doesn't like flowers. She likes candles. Yeah, just keep it there for a little bit. I really want to get this thumbnail. Honestly, I love doing these thumbnails only because you guys kiss me. Alrighty guys, we just finished shooting. I am going to go buy a piano. Remember a few vlogs ago, I was playing on the piano. Ever since that day, I was like, yo, I miss playing the piano. I want to get back into learning it. I want to play, I want to write music. I want to start today. So I'm done waiting. I'm gonna go pick up this piano today. Let's go. Alrighty, so we're over here in Guitar Center and I'm about to pick out a piano that I want to buy. Could you guys help me?
Yeah, of course. we can help you.
Okay.
What are you looking for, George?
Hold this right here.
Oh, that's how you want me to help? He just wants me to hold? You want me to be your camera guy? I didn't know what kind of help you really wanted. I thought I was gonna help you like with judgment or
the one I
decisions.
want. No, not
Out.
this one.
Definitely not.
This doesn't even work. Nope. 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 Nope.
Go ahead and get this big one right here.
I'll take it. I still want this one.
Yeah, this is a good one.
All right, we're
It's
taking
just
this
pretty
one.
and it's big.
Really?
They just changed it mid-song.
What made you think that was a good idea to do that? Go wait in the car. I think I'm gonna get this one.
It's a nice one. It looks nice. How does it feel?
Feels good. You wanna try it? Can I
I don't like it.
So I did it. I just bought this piano and hopefully I start learning how to play the piano more and more and more and then get good enough to write more music. So let's see how this bad boy's gonna look in my place, huh? Yo, this looks great. So who wants to come home and help me like put this together? Nobody?
Nobody, man.
Nobody? Ah, thanks, man. All right, so I just picked up the piano. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I want to change my mind. Nope, still like that other one. Later, guys.
Already like 10 or 12 guys to carry this into the truck, bro.
We got us, bro.
What about us, bro? It was leg day today. How am I gonna squat and lift?
Just squat and lift, bro.
Oh my god, lift with the legs, not the back.
Oh yeah, here you go. This is it. Yep. See, I didn't steal it. I paid for it. All right, let's move out. Alrighty, guys, that is it for the vlog. Now you're probably wondering why it's the morning. Is because I didn't want to end the vlog without showing you guys the piano built. So here you guys go. Yes, but do not get excited because that shit's going right back. Because when I was playing the piano, I realized that sometimes the key doesn't play right away. Like it has a lag to it. So I took forever building this thing with Logan and it doesn't even work. So yeah, I have to take it back and replace it or probably get a new one. I don't know. I'm really bummed about that. But again, guys, I want to thank you. If you guys haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe so we become a family. And also, the shout out of the day goes to Ilbs Obi HD. Now, I'm 100% sure I said that name wrong. Honestly, that one was just like Ibs or Libs. I don't know. But thanks for tweeting me. Anyways, guys, thank you again so much. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.